guys, this is Ken from Tech Open, back again with another video. This time to show you the unboxing of the BOYA B1 Lavalier microphone. So I got this because I actually believe this works better than directional microphones, shotgun microphones, because it's really close to your mouth, you know, on your chest, and it'll pick up sound better in my opinion. But we will have to test it out. So this is going to be a really quick unboxing. You can connect this via 3.5mm jack to your camera, your smartphone, your tablets, your computer, your laptop, whatever. And yeah, it's this, like I said, it's a low cost microphone. It's not expensive, so anyone can get this for like $20 to $30. It depends on where you get it from. And you know, why not invest in this? You should have great sound in your videos, and this is a pretty cool option, and you won't break the bank. So if you're on a budget, this is a really good option for you guys. So we can see here on the box, it's kind of banged up. It arrived to my location exactly like this, so I'm not sure what happened. Hopefully it'll be okay. You can see the features: clip-on mic for microphones, DSLR camcorders, audio recorders, PC, etc. Omnidirectional condenser microphone. High quality condenser is ideal for video use. Low handling noise, includes the lapel clip. LR44 battery. I thought that wasn't included, but it is, I guess. Foam windscreen and 1/4 inch adapter. Output impedance 1000 ohms or less. The connector, as I said, is a 3.5mm jack with gold plug, lapel clip and whatnot. Battery, yeah, it's very light, 2.5 grams. The microphone itself and the power module, which is this little thing right here that you can see, is around 18 grams, so relatively light. And we're just gonna open this and see what's inside. See what's inside. Okay, so nothing else in here. Comes with a little thank you note, warranty policy, and the manual. You can see here, very basic, tells you how to attach this. And the frequency response here, you can see the range of frequency. And on the inside of the box we have, so it comes with this little bag, you can see. Has a logo here on the front. This is kind of an imitation leather. I have the little condenser, and here you would switch this on to camera or smartphone or off right here on this little switch. And you have the connector. It's a 3.5mm headphone jack, and you can see it has 1, 2, 3 rings, 4, whatever. And the cable length, I believe, is 5 meters. Let me just check to see. Well, it doesn't specify how long the cable is anywhere here, but I believe it is 3.5 meters long. 5 meters long, sorry. So inside this little bag, you have this connector. You have the little clip. Battery, LR44 battery, the windshield thingy, so you don't hear noise or raindrops on your microphone. And here's the mic itself. I didn't show you. So you would just pop this little foam thingy here on, something like that, and the clip would go around this. So this clips onto this little thing. So you have this little ring, you clip this on here, and then you just attach this to your shirt, like so. Now this is all plastic material right here, except for the condenser, which is, it's like a metal material, some kind of aluminum material. So it's pretty basic, but you'd pay like 20 to 30 bucks for this. You can't expect like super high quality material. What matters is the sound. So that's something I'm gonna have to test out, and hopefully it'll meet my expectations in terms of you know, sound recording. So yeah, guys, this is basically it. I'm gonna do a test, a sound test on my smartphone with and without the microphone to see the difference. I have this microphone connected to my phone, and I'm not recording, so you can hear what the sounds like at like 50 centimeters away from my mouth. So my mouth is literally around 50 centimeters away from the microphone. Now I'm going to bring it closer to my mouth. So now it's right in front of my mouth right now, so you can hear the sound of this microphone when it's really close to your mouth. And you know, tell me how it here. How do you? What's your opinion? Does it sound okay or not? And now I've actually moved it like right under my chin. So the microphone is right now under my chin. So more or less like as if it would be pinned to your shirt or your sweater or jacket. You can hear the sound of what the microphone sounds like under your chin. So I'm going to move it back forward 50 centimeters away. So this isn't a mic meant to be placed at such a distance. It's supposed to be placed right, you know, the closest to your mouth as possible. So the ideal place would be, as it is a lapel mic, to actually connect this, attach this to your collar or whatever. So it should be as close to your mouth as possible. So now I'm going to disconnect it, and we're going to test this without the microphone, just with the recording microphones of the Samsung Note 9, which has pretty good mics. It has a noise canceling mic, a second one, and the sound is pretty good of recording on the Note 9, as you know, gathering that you're close to the phone itself. So we're going to test that. So now, as you can see, I've disconnected the microphone from my Note 9. So now you can hear the sound of my voice coming through the mic of the Note 9 at around 10 centimeters. So I'm 10 centimeters away from the phone itself. So now I'm going to move back. I'm at 50 centimeters distance from the phone. Now you can hear my voice at 50 centimeters distance from the smartphone. So I'm moving back closer to the phone. I'm really, really close to the phone right now, so you can hear the sound of my voice close to the phone. So this mic is much better in that aspect, that you have this connected to your collar. You can just attach it to your collar, and you won't have any issues with sound because it has a very long cable. This is like 5 meters long. As long as you don't trip on this, this will absolutely be a pretty good option for the price that you pay, under $20. I got this under $20. I'm not really sure how much I paid for it at the time, but I got this. I know I got it for under $20. That is a bargain. So now I'm testing the Note 9 without the microphone, and this is what it sounds like without the microphone. And I have the phone around 50 centimeters away from my face. Now I have it like arm's length, so you can see what it sounds like to vlog with the Note 9 without the external microphone, without the BOYA microphone. Now I'm going to test with the microphone connected, so you can get a better idea of what it sounds like with the microphone connected. So now you can hear the recording with the BOYA B1 Lavalier microphone connected to the Note 9, and you can see the difference with the sounding with and without the microphone. So this is for you to get an idea of what it's like to vlog with the external microphone connected. So it's a really good option if you need a microphone, a lavalier microphone. You're kind of on a budget, and it's a pretty good option for starting out YouTube videos. Even if you're just using your mobile phone, or you have like any kind of compact camera, even DSLR cameras, you can connect this easily to either one and get a better sounding recording if you're like farther away from the phone. So I'm going to actually test this out at a further distance, at its longest distance, with and without the microphone connected, so you can get a better idea of what it sounds like. So this is for you to get an idea of what it sounds like to record without the external microphone. You can probably hardly even hear me. I'm standing like 3 or 4 meters away from the phone, and you can see that you can hardly hear me without the microphone. So this is one of the main advantages of having an external microphone, is to be able to stand further away from the phone that you're using to record and get some better sounding audio. So I'm going to test it with the microphone connection. Okay, so now I'm standing around 5 meters away from the phone, and you can hear my voice compared to the situation when I did not have the microphone connected to the phone. So see, here you can more or less get an idea of the sound difference with and without the microphone. It should be improved with the Lavalier microphone connected. At the moment, it's a little bit windy. I have the windbreaker on the microphone, the wind protector, and now I'm going to remove it, see if you can see any difference in sound quality. So now I have the microphone without the wind protector on. You can now tell the difference with and without the microphone. I'm trying to get, see if I can catch some wind, see if you can tell any difference with and without the protector. But in terms of sound quality, it should be better considering the distance. Like I said, I'm around 5 meters away from the phone. It could go a little farther. I still have this kind of tangled up here. But you can more or less see the main advantage of having one of these microphones. It's really cheap. You can get this like for 20 euros, something around like 20-something dollars. It's a really good option if you're starting out and you're on a budget and you want to start recording some videos, even with your smartphone. So yeah, you should check this out. It's really a good little kit to use for starters. And guys, if you buy this from my links, you'll really help me out. You'll pay exactly the same as if you were to buy them by yourself. And the fact that you buy it through my links will actually help my channel grow. So any commissions I get from the affiliate links that are on the channel will go back into the channel to invest in new products, since all these products are purchased by my own money. So it will really help me out, guys. If you have any comments regarding the mic, please feel free to leave them in the description on the bottom, in the comment section. And if you like the video, don't forget to leave the thumbs up. I'd also appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. It'll also help my channel grow. So thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate your time, and have a great week. See you later.